Alright, what we got today is our F-250 work truck. Needs an oil change, so I'm going to show you kind of steps how to do it. It's not too bad on this one. Not done much worse. So, also done a lot easier. The 6.4 2018 diesel is a heck of a lot easier with the cartridge filter and all. Only problem is it takes a ton of oil, but this one's pretty easy. It's gas, the 6.2 gas. And you can see there it takes 530, and the owner's manual recommends the Motorcraft 530 synthetic blend, so that's what we're going to use. And the 6.2 takes 2019 at least, takes the FL820S, and there's the oil. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So kind of walk you through it here. So, all right, here we are into the truck. This is the oil pan. Right there's your drain plug. It's going to take a 5/8 socket, and then there's where your filter is. So, pretty easy. The only thing you got to really watch for is the exhaust comes out right by the oil filter, and I normally let them just set for a little bit and cool down, because the first time I did this, that burnt the snot out of my arm. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple to get to, thankfully. Shouldn't take long. And there's your oil plug, and it does have a washer on there, a rubber one. And I do recommend, probably should change that out. This one looks pretty good, so I'm gonna probably stick it back in there, but that's just me. All right, all the oil's drained out. Put the plug back in. Just gonna tighten it back up. Change the oil filter. And you don't want to get these too tight, but you want them kind of snug. Alright, let's see if I can get this old filter off. Alright, got it off. One of the things you definitely want to check for is to make sure the O-ring has come off with the old oil filter. If that doesn't come off and you put the new one on with another O-ring, 2 is not better. It will blow at some point, and it'll blow all your oil out of your engine. So that's what I'm talking about, the little black O-ring there. You want to take a little oil. This is just what I do. Just take a little oil and put it on there, and just to make sure it makes a good seal. It's already pretty much coated in oil, but it's just what I like to do. That way it'll go on nice and smooth and won't tear the gasket whenever you put it on. So alright, got that on. So now pretty much all there is to do is put oil in it. Alright, right there's where your oil goes in. Oil cap. It's kind of weird. It's not the typical old style oil caps. It's only about a half a turn takes it out. So funnel in there. Now 7 quarts. All right, got 7 quarts in it. and crank it up for a minute, let the oil pressure circulate the oil through the oil filter. One thing I will say, the dipsticks on these things are ridiculous. They're like 3 feet, 4 feet long. They're a pain in the butt to get back down in there, but one thing I do like to do, this helped me out a lot, is I find somewhere to write how many quarts of oil and what size plug wrench. So if you're like me and you don't have a lift, you crawl under there and you've got the wrong socket, it's pretty annoying. So something I like to do. All right, to reset your oil light, you're going to go to your menu and you're going to scroll through the settings. And then you're going to go to the right, vehicle to the right, and you're going to scroll down to oil life reset. And then you're going to hold the reset. And that's it. And now it's reset. All right, we're all finished up. Thanks for watching. I'm not a mechanic or anything, but I do all the maintenance on my own vehicles. So hope you find something helpful.